I am trying to say now is Ojemba, the scientific man, has come to do it in the moon. You see, don't talk say this place in Japan, because you don't know whether we built this Japan in the moon. All you have to believe is say, I am in the moon with my corn. Everything you see here, even the train that is passing is in the moon. We are trying to build a new city in the moon. Hey, I'm a very lucky man, you know. Hey, I've made it. Money. Money, 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 money.
Ojemba, how far? How he dey be? How he dey be? My pikin, oh, how far? How market you? How market you? I hope say you dey. Oh, Ojemba softly. I hope say you dey. Yo, odo you. Ojemba easy. Ojemba, how far? How he dey be? How he dey be? My pikin, oh, how far? How market you? How market you? I hope say you dey. Oh, Ojemba softly. I hope say you dey. Yo, odo you. Ojemba easy. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama. Ojemba softly, yo. Take 'em jeje. This life, oh, na jeje. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Ojemba wa yo. Take 'em jeje. This life, oh, na jeje. Yo. Money up man, money they do money coffee. Yo 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 yo. Money up man, money they do money coffee.
Chichi. Chief, my friend. I thought no go come work today. Me? No go come work today. For this hunger where they wire these villagers like this. You want make I sit down for house? Make hunger kill me. Oh, come to think of that. Haven't you heard about this scientific way of farming? Where Ojemba bring for this village?
But Chief, I thought the man bring something from the moon.
I wonder.
But Chief, the one way they wonder me. If you see the type of jacket this man they wear for this hot sun, the man no go die.
I pray say madam man no die for that kind of jacket too.
Hey! I know that man. I don't go my own.
Greet your people. Make I continue my family.
Meantime, I have no damn more.
Alright, so.
Ojemba, how far? How he dey?
Now, wow.
My pikin.
This scientific farm from moon, why I carry come here? It's just say this village people then go agree what I talk. This one of them they laugh me when I do. They don't understand this my winter jacket. Saying na from moon why I come here. Huh? I want to show them, teach them what they know. These people just they laugh me, they do anyhow. No, no, one for them. You know why they come make you come, make you go farm, you just they play. Anyway, when I never know Ojemba, when I go see something, I can begin the farm. One day, all of them I go come to find me.
Yo 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 yo. Ojemba wa yo. Take 'em jeje. This life on a jeje. Yo.
Oh, them no wago. Ago no way. This one where you and Ago come here.
Ojemba,
when I live when I find come here, am I safe?
No. As for whether you dey safe, the thing be safe. You don't say you be a very good friend. And we like you. So as we dey for our farm, dey work. We can't stay there, can't look, can't see as we dey work hard, dey work hard, dey work hard. Now I tell her, I say no. Make we go see Ojemba, make we know as this in work they go. Now make we come.
It's good as when I come because even if on our own no reach organic, talk less of this one is a scientific farm. Means I dey go for moon, go carry power, come here, come there, do my own farming. Since why I won't teach all of una no agree. I won't make and say make una go see how snow go fall here. As una don't come here now, una go learn scientific farming. Na dry land be this but I go make water come out here. Any vegetable I plant here, una go see how much you go make there.
Wait, make I ask you. With this hard work, what you put on this thing, the work hard, the work hard, the work hard. You know things say before you go finish this, somebody fit run mad because of the sun.
As I dey here now, I wear this jacket no very one no.
Now they talk.
Na 4. And upon say I wear this 4, cold they catch me. Heavy cold they catch, and when cold they catch me like this, now be say I don't dey near where water there. From moon I go draw water out here.
So you go draw water here now?
This dry land I go make water come out.
Oh yeah, make the water come out. Make
Make una dey see you dey see say na dust.
Odu.
Hey!
Odu.
You see water?
Odu, see water.
See water? You see water?
You know say this man,
What does it come from
not
there?
saying they do magic.
Who tell magic? Na scientific farming. Una never reach now. When I carry una along, when una reach Saye, una the fish small cold. When una come reach the fish, hey, heavy cold. Una fit. Let me tell you something. One stick of okra, where I go get from here, is 140,000 naira. If we get 10 baskets, you know say we don't become billionaire.
We don't join you.
We don't join them.
We don't join you.
You see?
Scientific
Farming.
Hey,
Come make we go.
see water.
We don't see.
When they go house, which when I go come my house.
Scientific farming.
Yes. Okay. Make I come see una. Make I see una later. We will talk. I dey busy with my scientific farming now. No one disturbance. Hey, although and that. This one I come follow me for back like this. You good at all? Now wow, culture.
Nah, you too much.
Cold, cold. They catch me. Oh,
This man know
You know where at all. You know where?
me? No, you know what? The talk say, what if you see you want see inside? How many days? See, you just wear this thing. Now wow. So you they do now waiting. Cold, they catch me. I beg. So
We just say we could come. Come see you. Come know everything that you do. Whether na real one. Or na.
Wait. Even me, I never did sure say that thing na water. You think say na water?
Water.
Let me say, this man when they call Ojemba, they do abarakata.
that thing where you see say, no be water.
No water.
Now when they argue now, which one be abarakata? You see the sand there, you talk to water. That one at beginning. I will bring snow. It will fall for this village. Me and Donna, Kuro I, you go see her. That is why what I'm doing is scientific farm. Scientific vegetable or farming. One okra is $400.
You
$400.
$400.
How much?
I will sell one okra.
One okra.
How much you be for Nigeria?
For naira. For naira now it go become like 144,000 naira for one stick of okra. So if you get one basket of okra, say we manage to draw am from moon, because this one we wan talk now. Now from moon I dey get am. If you can't get am, you know say money will become like 1.5 billion. Money will full everywhere.
Now you be boss. Now you be our boss.
From now
today.
Now, not be today, sir. From now. Will they call you boss?
Even anything I tell you to do, I will do it.
If you tell me to kill him now, I will kill him.
You know what happen? So anything I tell you to do, I will do it. Now be say this thing go work. your private jet is on the way.
You know me, me.
Your jeep, the type of car, even the car where they never drive before for this country, you go drive am. When I see na dey the other side of the farm, they look me one kind eye. I say, see these people, see how they suffer themselves.
Ojemba, too much.
Now here where the thing there. You see, when we start this thing now, level don't change. Not everyone I talk to. We make sure say you talk to people who merit our health. Because we are not scientific men. This moon, we go. No problem.
I don't go like go.
We just stay here. There I go.
I go stay here. They drink all the whole okra. I'm gonna go now. Look at there.
One more thing. If una go this night, make una the dream.
Me, I don't the dream of.
Make una dream how una go take enjoy this morning. How una go take buy the latest car, jeep, jet, private jet. Oyibo man, I'm gonna drive you. You go employ Oyibo man. You go they ride you for that jet. Level don't change now. When una come tomorrow morning, I will carry una will come go farm together.
Now me go wake you up.
Hello.
Just man, they suffer. You just carry body come.
See, good thing don't enter for this village now.
You don't enter. You don't talk to more. You could go to.
I will show that tomorrow now. I will show that tomorrow. I don't have. No, I go where go. Listen, that okay, not to block my way. You know, sir, on my exit. I need to keep and clean. I can't go. Oh. So them by you every day walk. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna come for. We gotta drink some water and come back. This ant is still here anyway. When I come back again, I'll clean her. Who am I seeing? Oh, this one way too often they stop to talk to me like this. Are you just say I'm safe? Where I come from? My farm now. I just went and do small farm. Though I never finished because I will still come back.
So you are coming from your farm with all these jackets?
Yes, now.
I'm not feeling
heat. Look at this. Is it not sun?
It's sun.
I'm feeling cold now. There is one farm where they do for moon. Then they call it scientific farm.
Scientific farm.
Scientific moon farm. If you see what in the happen, you go join me. But every day when I look on when I go just pass me like say, especially you,
let us go to your house and explain
the scientific farming.
Do you have interest?
Yes.
Yeah. I go and that is how they come and saw where I made water spring out from the dry land.
You have already.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. You with my school childhood friend. He just the only time.
Let's go.
Because I wear this. Come on, go. Let's I'll go teach you now how to make.
You mean you are not feeling heat?
Heavy cold. They catch me. Scientific farming.
Ojemba.
And I don't say, as soon as I don't see you, come follow me enter. Now we come to say our friendship down the comment. You know, they say if you see good thing, show your friends. And there's another thing I want to tell you. Since I come to with this my scientific farming, moon farming, I want to show our people on Fiyambos how to catch fish. Like you, where we say, now my childhood friend. No need every time I dash you money. When I can know say, I will teach you how to make the money. And this time around, not too much work. As you see me say this song, I say yes, that song. The sun, when the sun they hit, I catch cold. As I day here now, cold they catch me. You know, sister, the zip up. They cover everything.
Wait, Ojemba. You mean
Cold,
the feel cold now?
Ah, cold, heavy cold. Now this cold, when you begin catch me, I come the feel moon. Now make Odun now. When they follow me now, they see. As I feel cold, I come make water come out from ground. For dry season, you know, now that moment they see that thing, they begin to prepare to go to moon. So I say I know go fit live one. But I don't plan to go for this moon because you know what happened. I think if I tell on, I will tell you the original thing too, where you get there. For example, there are so many things to plant, but what I found that the whole world like to eat is okra. 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 Okay. You see this okra? For moon there, I plant okra, tomato, everything, but the tomato need to reach. You know, say okra when it comes, so the tomato, the woman and women, then they do the thing there. They like to eat the fresh tomato. Me, I like to eat fresh okra. Now this okra, scientific or not organic, scientific okra.
Scientific okra.
One stick is $400. If you change this money, I know say you know you don't make a change for you. It will give you 144,000 naira for one stick of okra.
144,000 naira.
Yeah, tell me, if we have 10 or 20 baskets of okra, don't you know that you will have private jet and ask your Iboman to allot you to anywhere? This our field, okay? Here I am Central School field. You when they want to do anything, now helicopter go take land. Wow. Motor na your choice. House, because the one is running into billions of dollars. You know that time where all those the Nariga and all those presidents they go for moon. And those America, what is this America they go find for moon? Every common sand where people for moon na money. Only say we know they touch ground. That's everything how they do it. But one food, you see, it is a Ronald Reagan and all these presidents, Bush them. Even Obama of yesterday, even Trump, you know, they eat our own rice. Then they eat rice away from the moon. This rice, then they make them, they protect them. If you shoot them down, they will talk anyhow because they don't understand what is happening in the planet.
I've started feeling the moon. The moon.
You see?
We will go to the moon.
So, thank you.
I want
But how do we go to that Oma?
as I did there, you get with him with the land. I never want land though. I want to stay another 10 years. But you go challenge me, I challenge them back. Because I don't have to pass them. Now they press one button, I see myself free embassy. Inside the forest.
That one another. I foresee.
So when you are there ready, we just
as you see me like this, I dare ready debate. If we go join us first. So don't worry. You see, your life is in my hand. Join them. If anything happens to you, I will let your wife go.
Okay, now I see your plans, Mazibe.
Which plan?
You just want to take care of my wife, Abby, so that I will go to the moon. See, we are going to that moon together with Ojemba.
if you want to make up on our mind, we would have to come up for road, make up your mind. But since you say I won't go, then I will teach you. We will start from here. Tomorrow, we will carry on our contracts and we will come.
Ojemba, nothing to make up our mind again. We are already going to the moon with you. We are going now.
It's okay. We don't hear you.
We go. Let us go and put our heads together first.
Ojemba, just consider it that Mazibekwe and the Kweme is there already with you at the moon. You go there.
So for now, the old man I don't need to make magic to make the moon water.
No wonder old man who used to follow you around.
Because they saw when I were digging ground the farm. I tell they say they feel cold, they feel cold. Then too, they don't come out that I come make water come out from the dry land.
We wouldn't like to miss that scientific That is one thing we will show you to do.
Scientific that one is very important. Not scientific It's very important.
Okay, I want to know when I come tomorrow. Yeah?
We are coming.
First thing in the morning,
Okay.
Make we go farm.
Okay.
I hope say you there.
And they want us to go there and they bring everything scientifically and they come back to Ihembos and they develop it scientifically. It cannot work. It cannot work. Just count me out. It is today that I know that you're not making good use of your initiative.
How?
Your brain is not clocking well.
Mazibe, it's not like that. What is there? That money that is involved is all I need.
The money that is involved. What has he come up with that money?
He said
100 and what? He said again.
144,000 naira
for okra.
For okra.
Don't you know that if anybody makes such amount, such in a basket of okra like that, he's going to erect so many houses upstairs everywhere. He's there deceiving you, wearing Murphy shade. How do I pronounce it? And you're following him.
See, Mazibekwe. Let's go to the moon with your jembao.
Anything you are doing with him, count me out. In fact, if you are joining him, join him. Count me out.
It's not like that. You know I can't go with him without you now. We are going there together. We are going to the moon together with Ojemba.
You can go with him, but if anything happens to you, I'll just take your wife and your children.
Mazibekwe, it's not gotten to that. What I'm saying,
it has gotten to that.
For over 2 weeks, you have been telling me that you want to talk to me, but I'm very busy. Well, I just come back from work and relaxing here with a bottle of drink. So I think this is the time I want to hear what you want to talk to me. What is it that you want to tell me?
Not that I'm a guest of this your family, but all villagers are laughing at me just because of that family. Even in my school, all students are laughing at me. Especially this suit here, even in the sun. Even from the people, I wear the suit. The jacket. I don't know.
My winter jacket? Which people are talking that? Is it children or adults?
Adults.
Whether they are laughing or they are crying, I won't say that is their business, but the mouth they used to laugh at me, they will use it to come and beg me. You see, Ebere, in this life, there is no way I can tell people what is scientific farming from the moon without showing them the example. For example, this phone is gold. The color is gold. If I want to tell you that I'm using gold color, I will say this is gold. And you see the gold. Because we have different color, white, black. So how can I tell them about scientific farm when they don't even know what is scientific farm? So don't worry about them.
Money, oh, money, money, money. I
am not others. I
I am Ojemba the great farmer. I am an extraordinary person in the farming sector. So, you see, this is my identity. I will stop when I change the mindset of these people. It's just 1 month, 1 weekend. By the time I spend 2-3 months, count them from today, you will see them. They will come. Huh? So don't worry. If they talk, close your ear. Give me some time. I know what I'm doing. You know, I just come back from overseas, eh? And then they don't even know what is moon. People go inside the moon and get something. So don't worry. I don't want to bother your brain, but I understand your feelings. Just go and cook food and prepare my dinner. Let me have some food, okay? These people.
Kampai. Kampai. Kamu harus bunuh. Saya kampai.
Kampai. You're the boss?
Nah. You say whatever I ask you to say.
The only here is table.
Table. Okay, let's table it. Table. But wait, you. Let me start with a drink now. You love one and the love, I don't just suspect them all. Like say, we were going to boat, I don't know what I do or what. See, I made up my mind, say, for this village, for this town, I will bring the moon down. Sky. Huh? Go to people's house, son, I go draw, so people go say, don't do. You see, the sky will be the limit. I will bring it down, not the limit anymore. Snow go fall for this very village. You know snow. That's one of the seafood over there. What they call white Christmas or whatever. I will bring her here. You know, we see this dry land again. The snow go fall. You enjoy the snow, but the next day that snow will become stone. There are so many science and wonders what we do. You know, scientific farming. As I did, you know how many jackets I wear here. See, cold they catch me. This cold where they catch me now, they don't tell me how to draw power from the moon to make farming. You know, I told you now, one stick of okra, $400, which is 144,000 naira. Now tell me, 1 basket or 10 baskets. You know, this make una drink. My money.
You say you go bring sun, bring moon, bring sky. But you don't drink, oh. The one they see you don't drink. Come, make we carry this man go. I don't want anything to happen to them.
Now the problem when they get with you is that you dey too fear.
Oh, don't tell them. Fear is failure.
Fear. Small thing, don't. Our boss call us, make we come, make we sit down, eat, drink with them, make we enjoy ourselves. You the talk say don't drink, make we carry and go. Now you when don't drink. I make tell you, if the drink they catch you, make you just stand up, go to your house, go lie down quietly and sleep. You hear me? No problem. As for Jemba and me, we go finish this bar today.
We are fit.
Come. Odomo, what in the call you? Are you well at all? No, be like say you two drink the pursue around. See you. Okay, oh, you want make Ojemba follow you go die. If you want die, go die your own. I don't want make Ojemba die because I never finish enjoying his money. I beg.
I understand now. Now because of that pink code for scientific money, you want to stay the charge the money, you go follow go there, go smart.
I don't want to go moon.
You go follow us, go moon, I go there here. No,
I don't want to go moon.
Because of that pink code, so one of the chop the money alone.
As I dey here now, code up you.
Bring no. Okay, Hennessy.
When we drink this one, finish.
This one don't finish. Odom. So he's still asleep. My friend, wake up, I beg. You could go farm for Ojemba farm. So he's still asleep.
I go.
No, come here. So he's still asleep. Up till now.
I don't know, say they don't break like this.
Go inside. He never break. Go inside, go carry a tooth come. We could go Ojemba farm.
We'll go. It didn't be say, not be say, now heat drive me come out here. I dey inside the house, heat they do me. I say, okay, may I come out here, I can't take breeze. As I lie down here, my eye can't close.
Oh, do you see alive? See alive? No, they never break. Continue sleeping. When I tell you, say, make you drink small, you don't hear. Our boss say, make you drink. Money there. Everything where you see, whoa. See now, don't the report. See, you still asleep up till now.
So all this thing when I talk, no enter your head. I say no be drink, I say na heat. Drive me come out. Then I can't lie down here.
See story.
Which can drink?
Now be see they tell this thing now. See story now. Now heat bring you out. You tell me say you don't enter moon with Ojemba. How heat they do you now? No be heat they do you now drink over too much drinking. Chop alone, die alone.
Your papa chop alone.
I beg you, don't run mad for me. Go bring your two, don't go walk. You get lucky say na.
Not me, you talk say Ojemba na our oga. As you say, he dey do am. Make me do am talk say he dey do me. No, say I go make you give me money. If he dey do am, he go do. If go dey catch am, go catch am. As my oga.
See your life. You dey lucky say this drink no carry you enter main road. If I don't do you, your life finish.
Me?
I beg you, do fast, make I come out here. You don't say time my money. Do fast, I beg.
That reminds me. You get what I don't understand for this our brother Ojemba. For this scientific moon farming, something, whatever.
Scientific moon farming. What concerns scientific and farming under hot sun?
Ask me. You are even saying under hot sun. If you see the kind of boots he normally wears with clothes, very big sweater. Oh God. Yes, I'm even wondering. I'm even thinking about what's this meaning of this scientific
My
farming.
dear, let's clear this part. I want to know more about this scientific. Can you just root up on me? Yeah. I would get to the root of this scientific.
What? Yeah, I'm tired of this. Let's just try. Let's just.
Evan,
Brother?
you said your friend wanted to see me.
Yes, brother.
Chiamaka, how is your brother?
Okay. I want to know more about this scientific farming.
You heard about it?
It's the top of the whole town now.
Oh, everybody in this community knows about it. Hey! Chiamaka, is that so? Evan, I told you. Did you see? So, people have started talking about your brother.
Brother, if it is positive one, I'm in support of that, but I don't want anything to happen to you.
You see, not my darling sister, not what happened to you, okay? You see, Chiamaka, come to your question. The scientific farming we are talking about is not here. It's not just science of university. It's not just going to farm and make farming. No. We are going to the moon. Come. You know it's Agonodum. They have agreed to follow me to the moon. And the other two guys, we are 4 now in number. So if we are going to moon to do this farming, we need to go to the hot sun. You see, for moon, now there the scientific farm will begin. It's good to come to find out.
If you people will throw me to the moon, see, you, Chiamaka, you will have private jet. You know what I'm private? And that's why they fly on top now. Oyibo will be driving you, your pilot. No, Oyibo man, no be black man, no. Make not say thing will crash. As I'm telling you now, since you have seen it, you know I never tell you this before. The first time in the year, I carry better thing come for this time. We all can go to the moon if you are serious. Yes.
To the moon?
To the moon.
Yeah, we'll go. Yeah, we'll go to the moon.
This is how it's supposed to be. Not every time when I'm talking about scientific farm, you frown your face as if I'm going there to die. No, it's for goodness of all of us.
So you mean I will now wear this?
With the fly, you know, go for moon. You know, with the fly like me or wear this. See, you know what I will do? No, that go spread the news. Talk to girls, women. We don't want children, women and girls, ladies that want to go to moon or know more about scientific moon farming. They should come to the farming place or come here to investigate if I'm lying. Or if you are lying to them, they should come to them by themselves.
Ngozi, you see na Chiamaka na ebere agwa gị maka scientific farming. It's about going to the moon. You should go n'ọnwa.
Achọrọ m ịga n'ọnwa ozugbo.
Ịnụkwanụ m, hey, enwere anụ m ndị ime ihe mere aga m ekụziri gị ka esi akọ scientific farming. Etu esi arụ ọrụ a, ọkwa ọrụ ndị na-aga n'ọnwa. Anaghị akọsi ya ike ka nke ndị be anyị. Na ihe mere bụ anyị kpakpọ ite etu a ekụziere ngị ya scientific farming. N'ọnwa, ị ga-esokwa ha wee gaa. You go follow them go. I make with them. Stay there. Hey, this entry, which one you want to use? Now knife or na? One use this one. Oh, I keep the knife now. Snake, you know, will come because they fear scientific people. No. I'm from moon. I'll go no. You know how water? You see? Okay, farm how another farm, like I see. Yeah, Kata. You see? Okay. This one is called analog. We don't pass this level. This is 14th century and 15th century. I want to teach you scientific farming. Watch me. Go for the hair now. I'm ready to. Oh, what I go to everybody. Nakwa kona na nakwa mwagi go na agbaji. Ngwa. The president ya me. Enough where? You see how to send the move. This is called scientific. Scientific.
Would you? Wow. Hey, it's having long. Wow.
I'm going home. I went to my mother's village.
Wow. No wonder, I have been looking all over for you.
This one you are looking for me. Hope all is well.
There is problem or something is really happening in this village. Oh, if I never have village,
oh, okay. Tell me. You know I don't like all this gossip thing. Okay, wait. Tell me what is happening.
So you have not heard about the scientific farming brought in by your Jemba? You know better at all.
Scientific farming? Yeah. Oh, because you will not kill me. Which one is scientific farming?
Bella and Amaka are spreading news all over these villages. As in the Harry Busa did news now, what's I see everywhere.
Nah, babe, they go good. As in, Iboye compound. Which one is scientific farming?
Yeah, I will hear you. Okay, Madam, I have been there with Ojemba. I'm going to scientific farming by myself. I'm going to
Bia? This girl is serious.
Very, very serious. I'm going to send Don't worry, very soon you
want to leave me and go to the moon or what? In fact, you are taking me to this Ojemba this evening.
What?
Let me go home. Let me get home. I will remove my clothes. Let me dress up. We are going to Ojemba's house this evening.
Well, I don't want anything. I don't use now. I don't
worry, oh, because I want to say bye-bye.
My bikini, how far? How market you? I hope say you there.
Come, why is it that they're supposed to be here by now? Because of my Garafo. Yeah. They're supposed to be here by now. What is happening? They're supposed to come in the afternoon now. Up till now. Anyway, I'm drinking my Garana. I'm sure they will come.
This one is American garlic.
This one is scientific garlic.
Scientific?
This garlic is from the moon now.
Yeah,
it's not ordinary garlic. It's not all this cassava cancer. See, this garlic, if you drink it would, from head to toe, any sickness in your body will disappear. As you dare now, I don't give you this garlic. I don't give it anything.
I will love to test you.
No.
Even if it's one spoon, I will love to test.
No, it's scientific. When you go to the moon, then you will get your own garlic.
I can't wait to go to the moon.
You know, who is your friend? And I'm supposed to bring one girl to the away.
I don't know. She's supposed to be here before me. Then let's wait for her now. She will soon be here.
Now?
Yeah, enjoy, you know. Oh, let me be watching you now.
No, this one is scientific garlic.
Hello, Juma. Hey, how far now? Hey, we are waiting for you now. Where are you? Oh, your grandmother. Sick again? Oh my God. What happened to her? Hey, okay, my regards to her. Then let me talk to them, but I will tell them. But make sure that you come tomorrow, so that we'll go to the farm. Okay. No problem. Take care of her, yeah? Oh, bye-bye now.
What happened to you?
He's a June.
Her
grandmother is very sick.
So she will not come out? Is she coming?
Hey, she's not coming. But she said that she will come tomorrow. Uju is very, very serious. She wants to learn scientific farming. Hey.
She's serious?
Yeah, she promised that she will come tomorrow.
This is what I like. This is what I want. You know what? I was thinking that Uju will not come. But since Uju will come, I have no problem again. Because all the things I carry for her, the way I wanted and this evening. How you decide that girl enter this place? The way I for take describe this scientific moon farming. Hey! In fact, she will go and gather more than 20 people. Yes, now. Tomorrow. Bring all the equipment needed for this farming. Two. So that I know that your friend will not come with anything. You give her a knife. Oh! I told them to come. Let me teach them scientific farming. What are they wasting time? Anyway, I'll be farming. If they are ready to go to the moon, they should come. If they don't want to go to the moon, I'm sure by next week I'm going to the moon. Hey! I've been expecting. Ujunwa, you haven't even understand what is scientific farming. You should come fast. Come, let me teach you. You know, put your hole like this. Don't go deep. You see, okay, I go show you, for example. Stand where you are. I will from there walk scientifically and come here. Scientific I'm not hearing you. Scientific
famine no one.
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 Uyo, cold. I'm feeling too cold here.
Under this hot sun.
Hi! Upon all this thing I'm wearing now, I'm still feeling very, very cold because I have touched the scientific moon. The moon is telling me that snow will fall today. Snow, you know snow? Yes. That thing used to fall in the overseas, yeah? During Christmas, it's going to fall here today. Scientific
famine no one.
Scientific
famine no one.
I can feel it. The moon is telling me.
Hey.
Scientific
famine no one.
Hey! Uju, you are getting it, yo? You're doing another one. Hey!
I'm getting it. Yes.
So, my boy, without the quick go. Oh, no,
I told him, learn very fast.
You see, it's doing very easy.
Yeah.
You don't need to be digging ground, the west, pen. No, scientific farming doesn't give stress. And we are all going to the moon. Okay, sir, scientific
farming no one.
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 Hey! You see, all my sisters are ready to go to the moon. Wow. We are the great scientific farmers. Ojemba the great farmer. Hey!
I never see you.
You see?
It's very easy.
Ojemba, how far? How will they be? How will they be? Yeah. My Pekino, how far? How market you?
Nah. I'm going to make another walk here. Now, how to walk with there? Huh? I like a machine. I don't join Ojemba.
I don't tire. I don't tire.
You don't tire.
Come since this morning when we come here, no food, no water, I don't tire.
Come to think of it, this job, we don't do this job for almost 8 months now. 9 months. Nothing. And this man said, maybe this one they use also.
Come. The walk is the top now. It's not good to the top. Walk and talk.
Come, Ojimba, come.
Waiting.
Come. Ojimba, come.
The call on a boss, or the boss go call on.
Ojimba, come. You want to boss again.
Make on come. What happen?
Ojimba, what do you take us to do?
I don't know what you have. Wait.
What do you take us to do?
Wait. What happened?
For the past 8-9 months now, we don't leave our family. We don't feed them again.
Nothing.
One shishi never enter for hand. You cannot play. Ojimba, what do you take us to do?
Well, I know we go patient. We could go for the moon. You must have patience to make it. I never even learned this 3 months now. They complain. We were there for many years.
Ojimba, give us money. Pay me. Make I come no say I know they will follow you again. Pay me, man.
Pay me too.
But you don't understand where would they go?
You too. What you don't make out of it?
I'm confused.
You saw it?
No. You see, I say I'm confused because 2 of them I know they work well, but look at the truth. This thing why they tell on all this work where would they do since? I just want to make una they do exercise. Catch up. Hey! For over 3 hours I'm here. This family. I found all those places and all these places. They don't know why I'm here. Because this land is very thick forest and dry one. But at least the sun is too hard and I'm feeling cold. That is one thing I know. I'll keep working. What is holding Ebera and Chiamaka with the others? I thought I saw a lot of them coming down to learn how to do scientific farming. Anyway, I know they are coming. But I found something on inside this ground and command the moon to bring it here so that they will see
what is scientific farming.
Oh ho!
Hey, you are here.
I've been thinking about you people.
I've been looking for you everywhere.
You don't mean it. I told you the thick forest now. Huh? This thick forest, you know say. Now so, you carry knife on hey, if I bring knife now. I don't know when they carry knife they come.
Ebere and others are bringing it.
Are they coming?
They are not coming.
I've been here for about 3 hours. Farming inside that here and here. I've been farming so long, getting all the things we need.
Please, there's no time. Come and teach me so I would know more about the scientific farming.
Now make you know with others.
No, I can't wait.
Chiamaka. Since I explained to you that you are going to moon, you don't even want to sleep. Okay. You see one thing. Make you begin the farm. Anything where I do, you do. This farming, they know they dig and too much. If they do, you see how my hand they do. Now be scientific. As if they go for ground like this. That's scientific. So when on one farm, how on the farm? No, this one locomotive. This is called locomotive farming. Analog. Scientific. You see? Can you believe that shovel can be moving like this on the ground, like snake? Now so we they move from moon. You don't stay from moon like this with the fly. Every time you see one stay from moon. You go to learn now. After go come carry those things. But you know what? They feel too much cold here now. So make I do the scientific, look with the farm. If you go here, because this place is too strong and I don't draw already some power from moon. So stay for my back. So we see what I do. The farm now scientific. So you go teach you about them because maybe I will not have time again. Since 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. I'm here.
I'm looking for you now.
It's too cold, bro. It's too cold.
Cold or what? Uncle Jamba, what is it now?
Nothing, no, it's just cold.
Hey! Uncle Jamba! Uncle Jamba! Uncle Jamba, what happened to you now?
Nothing, cold.
Are you okay?
Cold. What happened? How come I'm on the ground?
I thought you said you wanted to teach me scientific farming. See now, you don't fell down.
No, this is part
You
of
fainted now.
Faint? No.
Uncle Jimba, stand up. Let's continue this scientific farming. You have to stand up, oh. Stand up now.
You know, more water. Put water for head.
Uncle Jimba. This one is
yes, scientific. Cold.
Uncle Jimba, stop. I told you say you would take us to the moon. Now, see your
You want to go to the moon?
I want to go to the moon. I want to be flying like an aeroplane.
I will show you the way to the moon. You will be going there. You and Chiamaka and the others. I will show you the way. You know, sir, I've been to the moon before. I will show you how to go. But for now, I'm not going to the moon.
You want me to start crying?
No. I'm not going. Scientific, you know. Scientific. Scientific. I'm not a scientific again, no. Chiamaka, my brother, all of you. The one thing you know more. I do my best. Hey, scientific, you are.
Hey! How